Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking the best vitamin C products of 2024. Now, emphasis goes on the products there because when we talk about vitamin C skincare, our minds will often go just to serums. Now, there are some amazing innovative vitamin C serums on the market. I'm going to talk about some of them in this video, but I want to widen it beyond just that because there's some fantastic vitamin C masks, cleansers, moisturizers, and in this video, I want to explore that wider market to help you guys find the perfect vitamin C for your own skincare routine. Sit back, relax, let's talk the best vitamin C products. Now, before we get into today's video, I would of course love to know your own hot take on vitamin C. Are you a hardcore vitamin C devotee like I am, using it day in, day out? Well, if you are, reach down and leave the lemon emoji in the comments section below. I toyed between suggesting using the lemon emoji or the orange emoji, but I thought as I was dressed like a tangerine today, it would show the other side of vitamin C and opt for the lemon instead. If you're somebody that doesn't care for vitamin C at all, that's equally as valid, and I still want to hear from you. So share with me your vitamin C before and after experiences in the comments. I always like to say when I'm talking about products that worked amazingly well for me, this video is completely sponsorship free. I always like to say this because I don't do paid partnerships here on the channel because I think by turning down that coin, it helps me to retain my independence. If you want to support me as a sponsorship-free content creator, then the best way of doing that is by reaching down and giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. The more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. Now, for those of you that have been with the channel some time, you'll know my absolute favourite vitamin C is this one. This is the C Glow Serum by Geek and Gorgeous, and this is a phenomenal basic vitamin C serum. Now, I don't mean basic in a negative way, because honestly, basic can still be transformative. But what I mean by that is this just contains vitamin C in its pure form, ascorbic acid, and a couple of antioxidants alongside that. Honestly, what makes this so special is the fact it's made fresh every single week. So when this reaches your doorstep, it is at peak efficacy, delivering you all those amazing benefits. From boosting collagen production to fading hyperpigmentation, even helping to minimize acne scarring. This just does it all and is one of my go-to favorites all the time. I've linked this product, as I will all the other ones mentioned in today's video, in the description box below. Those links are there for your convenience, so if you didn't quite catch the name, you want to check the price point, read the reviews, like I say, the links are there, be my guest. But I'm kicking things off with this, because I think this is a phenomenal basic vitamin C serum that people that just want an uncomplicated vitamin C life, this is the one that I would recommend. But going on through the video from this point, we're going to look at some more innovative formulations, we're going to look at some other product stylings, and yeah, but I still wanted to give this its place to shine in the video because basic but phenomenal, and I use it so often. Now, if you're somebody that likes to use your vitamin C infrequently, a couple of times a week to get your glow game on point, but you're not someone that wants to commit to it every single day, then going for a higher potency mask is honestly a great way forward. My favorite vitamin C mask is this. This is the PSA Skin Follow the Light Radiance Peel. So in here, you've got vitamin C in two different forms, which I love, combining a little derivative action with some pure form vitamin C too. You've got a blend of exfoliating acids and glutathione, which I'll touch on a little bit more detail later on in the video. But glutathione and vitamin C is like the dream pairing. This you want to use once or twice a week to get your glow game on point and get that radiance through the roof. I don't think you necessarily need to have this if you've already got an established vitamin C serum in your routine. But if you're somebody that likes your vitamin C dose a couple of times a week max, this is a great option. Also great for people that are quite sensitive to vitamin C. So if you're somebody that's using it every single day, it just doesn't work for you, then switch to something like this. Don't forego your vitamin C. Just maybe pare it back a little bit. Couple of times a week with a vitamin C product like this is going to get you the same glow enhancing results as using a lower strength option every single day. So don't feel like you have to miss out if you can't tolerate daily vitamin C. I think this mask could be the way forward. It's an absolute holy grail in my skincare routine for those days where I need that little pick me up, I need a boost to that luminosity. This is always the product that I reach for. Now, the key ingredient in that radiance peel that I just referenced is that glutathione, which, as I said earlier, is the dream combination with vitamin C. The reason that they work so well together is vitamin C will reduce the risk of excess pigment being formed, will help to eradicate any pooled pigment that little bit quicker. So a great ingredient for fading hyperpigmentation. Glutathione works in a similar but subtly different way. It actually prevents the uneven distribution of any pigment that's being produced. So if you're someone that finds you have dark spots, pooled pigment and areas of discoloration, using glutathione can be a hero ingredient to help you just even out your skin tone and complement your vitamin C serum. Now, when it comes to my favorite products containing vitamin C and glutathione together, I always make the same two recommendations. First up, if you've got sensitive skin, reach for the Paula's Choice Vitamin C 25%. Now, 25% might seem like a really high dose of vitamin C, but the reason I say it's great for sensitive skin is all that vitamin C action comes in the form of vitamin C derivatives. Derivatives are much more gentle on the skin, and so reaching for a 25% vitamin C derivative is going to give you far less irritation than a 25% equivalent in pure form vitamin C. So this, great for the sensitive skinned folk out there that want to get a good dose of vitamin C alongside glutathione, but want it without all the risk of any side effects and irritation. This one from Paula's Choice is absolutely stunning. For those of us with a more resilient skin type that can tolerate a higher dose of vitamin C, this is the one you're going to want to pick. This is the Allies of Skin 20% vitamin C brightening and firming serum. 20% pure form vitamin C and a really high dose of glutathione. It's that combination of vitamin C and glutathione that makes this the fastest acting vitamin C I have ever tried, bar none. I've probably tried 100 different vitamin Cs over my skincare journey, and this gets to work the quickest. When it comes to fading hyperpigmentation, couple of weeks, you're already seeing the payoff. When it comes to boost to luminosity, within a couple of uses, you will be glowing to the gods. Yes, it comes with a slightly higher price point, but let me tell you, if you're impatient and you want those super quick results, this is the fastest acting vitamin C you are ever going to find. And actually, the good news is I've got a discount code for this that gets 20% off. So if you are tempted to try it out, make sure you use the discount code because that'll reduce that price point right down. But yes, for the impatient amongst us that want those quick wins, this is an absolute must and a holy grail. So we've touched on a peel, we've talked a little bit about some next level glutathione and vitamin C serums, and now I want to come on to a cleanser. Now, vitamin C cleansers are great for two different reasons. First up, if you've got very sensitive skin and you just cannot tolerate vitamin C in a leave-on treatment, then go for a cleanser. Yes, you're not going to get the same results with a wash-off cleanser that you will from a leave-on treatment. But if you can't tolerate any other form of vitamin C cleansers are a great way of still getting that touch of vibrancy and luminosity in the skin. The other way that vitamin C cleansers can really pay dividends are for those of us that are established vitamin C users that just want to take it to the next level. If you already have your favorite vitamin C serum or mask in your skincare routine and you just want a few extra results, use a vitamin C cleanser in the morning, every morning, and it will definitely at the margins help to increase your glow game, help fade hyperpigmentation that little bit quicker, and it means that you don't have to have an extra step. Just swap out your existing cleanser for a vitamin C one, and you'll get, like I say, increased benefits at the margins if you're already using a vitamin C serum. So if you think you fit into one of those two groups and you think a vitamin C cleanser might just be a great addition to your skincare routine, the best one is the Face Theory Vitamin C cleanser or every time. It feels luxurious, it feels bougie and really just like a next level experience from a cleanser, but doesn't cost a whole lot of coin. This is £13, which I think is a really great price point for the formulation that you're getting. A good dose of that vitamin C to add to your skincare routine. And I love the fact that it comes in a fragrance and a fragrance-free option. So if you like a little mandarin zesty scent to your product, go for the mandarin option. If you like to keep things fragrance-free, opt for the fragrance-free one and it'll just work in exactly the same way. That flexibility is what I love to see in the skincare market. I think, bar none, without exception, the Face Theory Vitamin C cleanser is the best of like the active packed cleansers on the skincare market. For me, I use this 2-3 times a week to kickstart my skincare routine, and I definitely find that I get elevated results, and doesn't mean that I have to miss out on any of my other vitamin C products, because this will pair with just about everything. Absolute stunning option and one of the best vitamin C products on the market. Now, last but by no means least, I want to touch on blended vitamin C serums. Now, let me explain what that actually means. Earlier we talked about choosing vitamin C either in its pure form, ascorbic acid, or in its derivative form, of which there are many and multiple different ones. And sometimes I feel as consumers we're forced to choose. Which one do you want? Well, you don't need to choose. You can have it all, because there's a new generation of vitamin C products hitting the market that offer a custom blend of multiple different vitamin C derivatives and some pure form vitamin C too. This means that you're going to get elevated results, yet minimize sensitivity, and they work relatively quickly. I think one of the biggest drawbacks of vitamin C derivatives are they take a little while to actually work and deliver the results. Patience is key if you're using a vitamin C derivative. So teaming derivatives with pure form vitamin C to get that quick win, those instant results, long-term payoff and minimizing sensitivity is for me an absolute no-brainer, and I definitely find myself moving towards these blended formulations more and more. Now, I've actually got 2 different recommendations that I want to share with you today, something for each price point. Let's start with the super affordable and drugstore first. This is the Torrident Cell-Mazing Brightening Ampule. Now, this actually contains 5 different forms of vitamin C. That's what I mean when brands taking it to the next level when it comes to innovation. Not just 1, maybe 2 different forms, but 5. You've got pure form vitamin C, 3 derivatives, and a stabilized form of pure form vitamin C in here, which is going to give you that extra shelf life and longevity of product, minimum sensitivity, maximum results. This is stunning. Now, they don't actually refer to it as a vitamin C serum. It's called a brightening ampule, and I think that brightening aspect is really what that vitamin C is doing here. Evening out your skin tone, brightening, glowing you up to the gods, and it definitely works on hyperpigmentation. It comes in a really nice, creamy, sort of slightly thicker than maybe you would expect serum, and I love this because it sinks in without a trace. It's easy to apply. And what my top tip would be is to put a full layer of this on the face as part of your skincare routine, and then go in with a second targeted dose on those areas you have hyperpigmentation. So if I've got an old acne mark that I'm trying to fade, I'll use an extra dose of this specifically there, and I definitely find that that tip just evens everything out so much quicker. So you heard it here first. I don't just give you the recommendations, I also give you the hacks that I've learned to kind of get the best results. This is stunning. Overall brightening, this is a game changer, but it's also really effective against hyperpigmentation. Now, the second recommendation I want to make when it comes to perfectly blended vitamin C's is this. This is the Dr. Sam Flawless Vitamin C NAD Plus Serum. Now, this actually has 2 different forms of vitamin C in its pure form and a vitamin C derivative, but it actually combines them with multiple different hyperpigmentation ingredients. So if you're looking for that perfect vitamin C blend to fade your hyperpigmentation, this is a stunning option. That NAD also doing a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to evening out our skin tone, and I got some great results with this. Now, it does come with a slightly higher price point, but I think when you look at how comprehensive the formula is, worth it every single time. And for me, like I say, I find myself reaching for those blended vitamin C products far more often these days. If you want a budget-friendly option, that Torrident one hits every single time. If you don't mind spending a little more to have a more targeted hyperpigmentation approach, then the Dr. Sam's is wonderful. But either way, I honestly think as we approach, get through 2024 and approach 2025, I think blended vitamin C products are going to become far more normalized in the skincare world. If you want to get ahead of that trend, try one out for yourself now. Those 2 recommendations are stunning. So hopefully, if you've made it this far with me, we've explored together the vitamin C market in a little bit more detail. It's easy to get fixated on vitamin C serums, but don't forget there's so much more out there. From the beautiful masks to the gorgeous cleansers, vitamin C comes in many different forms. And, thank you for spending this video with me and allowing me to elaborate a little bit when it comes to some of the innovation in the vitamin C market. Looking at serums that combine vitamin C and glutathione is a great way of doubling down on your hyperpigmentation results. And if, like me, you're as excited about these amazing vitamin C blends as we come into 2025, hopefully I've been able to share with you my 2 favorites if you want to get ahead of that trend. Thank you for watching, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.